Hi, I'm Chris from Birddog Lighting. Today I'm going to show you how to hang your holiday lights like a pro using our Rooftop Ridge Clips, our Pro Clips, light stakes, and no-wrap straps. These are Rooftop Ridge Clips, and they're used by professionals to get that clean, consistent look. They're easy to install and won't damage your roof. You just pop the bulbs into the clips, which hold them firmly in place, and they're already attached to your roof line. Next up, Pro Clips. These clips make it simple to keep your lights neat and even along gutters and eaves. They work with both C7 and C9 bulbs and stay attached to the bulbs when you take them down. If you need to separate the bulbs from the clips, they're designed for easy release. Next up, yard stakes. To line your walkway or create a border along your yard stakes make it easy. These stakes keep your lights standing straight and secure and are compatible with both C7 and C9 bulbs. For soft ground, just press them into place. For harder ground, you might need a hammer. Just remember to secure the stakes before snapping the bulbs into them. Next up, no wrap straps. Wrapping lights is a pain. It's tedious, tough to get the wrapping even, and you have to figure out how to attach it when you get to the top. Made from clear plastic, no wrap straps lock together so they fit around whatever you're wrapping. Snap them into place, then start stringing your lights vertically from top to bottom. You can create a straight or angled line, and even alternate light colors for a striped effect. Plus, you don't need to wrap the entire pillar or tree. Skip the back or any side no one sees to save on both time and lighting cost. When it's time to take everything down, removal is a snap, literally. Just unhook the straps and your lights are ready to be packed away. For all of your LED lighting needs and more videos like this, visit birddoglighting.com. Happy holidays!